Hello guys! So I'm gonna be unboxing Nuestra Señora Mother Dolorosa. So this is the package. And now I need to get the scissor and open it. So I'm gonna open it like this. So you cannot do it if you're a baby or a toddler or a kid just like me. And I can do this because I'm a big boy. I am 6. If you're a kid, like 6 me, so you can do this, but not in 5 to 3 years old. And 1 year old, every old. So you cannot do this, but in 6 you can do this. Cannot open it. I just broke it. Broke it. Oh, broke it. I'm excited. Wow!
Narinig ko yung putukan ng mga kuto ah.
It's so hard to open! Yay! Oh, so this is the line. This is the line. So I gotta broke the tape and let's see the milk. Yeah. I opened the tape. So I need to take it like this around. Another box. Oh shit. It's hard. Ah! Yeah. Yeah. Oh shoot! Oh, the black. Only the black one is here. So I just opened this, and it's only computer. Yeah! Yeah! Hindi, ikaw mo sa ito. I just opened it like this. And I'm gonna open it. Buksan ko na yung plastic! Ganda. It's gonna open. You cannot open. It's so hard. Open.
Oh, baby.
Oh! Oh, God. Upside down. Open. I'm actually opening. Wow. A little bit of stain. There's a little bit of stain in her neck. Is fully straight in like this color. Like this. And her shoulder. Look at her shoulder. So beautiful. I want to be like this. I'm gonna show this. I'm gonna show this to the friends. To my sister's friends.
Unay, tinanggal mo yung plastic?
Tanggalin ko na. Gusto ko eh. Gusto ko tanggalin yung plastic.
Ganda, patingin niya. Wow! Ganda. Wala, ba't ako binibidyo? Chill ka lang, Calix. Chill ka lang. Walang chill sa pamilya na to. Ay. Hindi ako kita. Ay.
Hello! Ma.
Ganda.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? Tingnan mo yung likod.
Pangit mo. Ay. Wow.
Kulay black. Yung corona.
Green ata. Green ba? Oh, yeah. Green.
Lahat black. Kimi big yan like poop.
Hello?
Ay! Oh. Yay! Baho. Kamu ka. Ano din ng ano? Oh. So we're gonna be right back if I have another order. Let's go. Pause na ako.